Good morning from the heart of Hammertown at the 20th anniversary King of the Hammers in beautiful Johnson Valley, California.
Warren's been in the off-road scene, I think, forever.
They're almost synonymous, right? Warren and King of the Hammers and off-road racing.
It doesn't matter until you need it. You know, when you're upside down in the middle of the race, the only thing that makes the difference between finishing the race or not is the winch on the front of the car and the recovery gear you got to go with it.
As Warren, we love to be part of this community. This is us. This is how we come up with new product. We'll be racing with one of our new winches on the Jeep and testing it out.
This is the new Warren XC.
We got the new Warren XC, super fast, works really well, super strong.
Let me get this right. In King of the Hammers, we've just seen a pass for first place using a winch, yeah?
Yes. Now Paul Wolff, physical first on course.
Here we are at the VIP tent, and this is just one of the things that we do to support King of the Hammers. We're setting up winch points out on the course.
We've got education and racer classes that we're doing here.
We're right here at the 40. We're having our grand party for the Xeon XC.
And on this vehicle, we have a brand new power sports winch, the R Series.
What the hell?
Today we find out who's going to be the fastest qualifier.
All about the Yokohama Everyman Challenge.
You know, at the end, this is racing. This is what happens, and you gotta laugh, learn, fix it, and hopefully a little bit of better luck next time, right?
This young lady started in 30th position this morning in her bomber car. She'll be unofficially 4th in class. Yes, it is the 2026 Griffin Radiator Race of Kings.
Randy Slawson and Dustin Emick, number 4448. I believe this is going to be our first ever 4-time King of the Hammers champion. What an amazing day.
Oh, the Warren today took a beating. Forgot how many times we pulled cable. 20 plus. Thank God for the job done, and we won.